Hey everybody, ¿cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see, I have some major cleaning to do around my kitchen and dining room. So I figured I will bring you guys along and just get to cleaning, and hopefully this gives you some motivation to just get it done and do that cleaning that you need to do around your home. To be truthfully honest, I was not in the mood to do anything on this day, but I said, get up, Roxy, and just get it done. Sometimes it's just that time of the month and you're just not feeling in the mood to do anything. And I said, no, just get up and do it, motivate yourself. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna do this for my girls that are having a bad day and are not in the mood, and just hopefully motivate them to just get it done themselves. So here we go. So I do wash my dishes by hand. Maybe it might take a little bit longer, but I mean, I'm just old school, I guess. My mom taught me this way and it just stuck to me. But I do use a dishwasher just to store my dishes there once they're nice and clean. But other than that, you guys, I've always done them this way. I wish I would have done this video in real time so you guys can see how long it takes sometimes to get all the kitchen clean, because it did take me like an hour and a half, plus moving the camera around, it took longer than usual. But like I said, I wanted to motivate you guys to just get it done if you're having a bad day or you're just not in the energy to do anything. So I wanted to show you a little trick that I do with these type of pans. These pans are really hard to clean once the oil and the fat is cooled down, because it gets stuck to the pan really bad. So I used to want to scrape it off with a spatula to try to get it off and stuff, but I figured out that if you just reheat it and just everything's gonna melt off, and then you can just pour it into a little container and just wait for it to cool down and then throw it out in the trash. So that way it's just way easier. I don't know why it took me so long to figure this out, because I would just try to do things, in the moment and try to just scrape it off. But I figured that if you do this, just reheat it for, like 30 seconds or a minute, everything's gonna melt again and you can just throw it out. And then the pan, you see, it's way easier to clean that way than just trying to scrape it off. So yeah, just be careful because it is really hot. and I don't want you to burn yourself. So yeah, that way you can just use a sponge and get all that stuff out, and it's way easier this way. Try it out if you haven't. You will see what I'm talking about. So when I put the degreaser, I let it sit there for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm cleaning something else like the countertops or the microwave. But if you guys know of any other product that works better, let me know, because I feel like this degreaser is not that good, even though, you know, I still use it just because I want to run out of it and then go buy something else. But if you guys know of anything else I can use, let me know. I would really appreciate it, because I've struggled with this for a while. I've tried to use other products and they just don't do the trick. But let me know if you guys know of any other thing that I can use.
Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me, and days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name.
Now, one product that I will recommend is this one. This one gets rid of anything from your stainless steel, like fingerprints or, you know, like dust, whatever you have. This really works on it. What I do is just take off the grease or whatever and then go over it with this, and it brings out the shine in your stainless steel. I'm telling you, this one really does work, so I would truly recommend it.
Yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment.
So as far as my dining room, it wasn't that messy today. Sometimes it gets messier than others, but I just had to put away some things from when we ate breakfast and just clean it. I like to use a wet little cloth or damp cloth, and then I just go over it with a shine spray from Method. This is in the almond scent, and it smells so good, you guys, and I love how it makes my table look. It brings out the shine and it just works really nicely. If you have wood furniture, I would truly recommend it. But funny thing is that my table is actually full of glitter. You can't really tell on the camera, but I have glitter from all my Christmas decor, and it's so funny because my home is full of glitter for months after Christmas. But I mean, I don't really mind that it's glitter. I mean, it doesn't do any harm. But do you guys have the same issue, like have glitter in your home like after Christmas, or what do you use to get rid of it? Because glitter is really hard to get rid of, but I just think it's so crazy how just glitter stays in my home months after Christmas.
On the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody.
So as we're coming to the end, I want to thank you for stopping by and just cleaning with me. Hopefully you got some motivation and you get something done around your home that you wanted to do. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And thank you so much for stopping by. Like I said, you guys, I'll see you guys on my next one. Cuidense mucho. Bye.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking.